Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick PowerPoint kind of presentation about what is theme. Theme is what we're going to be working with this week and then a little bit of next week too. So I kind of wanted to touch base with you while you're getting started with it today. So, what is theme? Theme is the central idea. It's about life, human behavior. So things like living a simple life leads to greater personal freedom, or the deepest loneliness is sometimes felt when we're among friends. These big kind of um, things that underlie a lot of the stories that we're talking about. Maybe. There we go. So, in most stories, the theme is not directly stated. Instead, it's revealed to us through the character's experiences. So, we might see something where conflict leads to a resolution, and then through that resolution, we see the theme kind of come out. We have a lot of universal themes. So, things that come up again and again in literature, dealing with basic human concerns. So, the good versus evil, life versus death, love versus loss. They shine a light on our common experiences and they help us guide us through our lives. These universal themes really come to fruition a lot in a lot of the movies that we see. So, speaking of movies and stories, take a look here. So, I have 5 stories on the left side there. It says uh, The Little Red Hen, Beauty and the Beast, Three Little Pigs, The Ugly Duckling, and The Frog Prince. Think about on the right side, I have A and B. Which of those themes do you think match with those stories? Pause the video, think about which one goes with which, and then when you're ready, press play, and I will show you the answers on the next slide. So, our answers here are The Little Red Hen, pays to work hard and plan ahead. Beauty and the Beast, appearances can be deceiving. Three Little Pigs, pays to work hard, and then The Ugly Duckling and The Frog Prince, appearances can be deceiving. Those are our universal themes there. Now, finding a theme and finding a subject are two different things. A subject is simply the topic. So the topic of a story might be about loyalty, but the theme is makes a revelation about that topic. So it's not just loyalty, but the theme could be like loyalty to a leader is not always noble. So thinking about theme not as the topic of the sentence, not as the subject of a story, but the what we find out because we're learning about loyalty, what we find out because we're learning about sharing, those kinds of things. So, writers can often express theme through what the characters learn. Does the main character in your story change? Does the main character in a movie change? If they do, usually those changes reflect that theme and what they're trying to get across to you. It can also happen through conflict. So, if two friends find a wallet and one friend wants to return it, the other wants to keep it, the resolution is that they return the wallet, share the small reward. The theme is that people are often rewarded for making the right moral decision. Now, last thing I want to touch on here is that there's not always a single way to state the theme. There's not an exact sentence about something that's going to be the correct answer. There's different opinions about what the theme might even be. In some of the larger novels that you get to in high school, there's a lot of variations, and if you get one English teacher, the theme might be something else than it is for another English teacher. The most meaningful literatures, they have more than one, and sometimes we rank them differently. Now, that's a lot of information about theme. I want to kind of make it a little bit easier for you to understand. So, on my Schoology page, we've got our calendar at the top, and then below my calendar, I posted a discussion. Pixar life lessons. So, most of you have probably seen quite a few Pixar films. I have a top 10 Pixar life lessons here. So you can click on the video, you can watch it, and then it goes through the top 10 life lessons. The themes are in there, so it'll say the movie name and what the theme is. And then after watching that video, I want you to think of another Disney or Pixar movie. And then in this comment section below, I want you to tell me what the movie is. So, Toy Story. And then I want you to tell me what the theme is of Toy Story. Okay? Remember that it's not just one word. It's not the topic of the movie. It's what was revealed through that topic. Okay? So it might be a little difficult. That's okay, but I want you to give it a shot. All right, good luck.